You gotta get out of character with yourself. It's totally not me, but but I decided I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna walk up and down Main Street just once, just for the fun of it. See how I look here. There we go. Okay, here goes. Gotta get by here. I've never worn something so ridiculous out in public. Heck, not even in private. Starting to sprinkle out. Okay, I'm back at the bike. I made it. I went all the way down to that end and back to here where my bike is. I walked down one side and came back that side. So be proud of me. This is not who I am. This is totally out of my shell. But I'm going to switch back to my normal self now. It was fun though. So I'll talk to you later. Okay, back at camp. When the rain stopped, I just basically went out with the bike and got on it and got back here. So I didn't get any riding footage. So, but me walking around with that Mad Hatter get up should be a makeup for that. But anyways, when I was in town, I needed a new pair of these, so I got that, and of course I got that handout too. I didn't find any shirt that I wanted to get yet. So, anyways, the deer were back. Let's see, I saw them there a little while ago. Now I don't see them. Oh well. But anyways, I'm going to get breakfast. I mean supper. Supper. Oh, there's one out there. One, two, three, for sure. Okay. All right, I'm going to get supper all set and have that, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, it got dark on me here. I still got to put everything away yet. But I finished my supper now. Oh man, I got my artificial light out so I can do video clips when it gets dark. It's sure bright to look at. So. Yeah, they're right above my phone, so I'm gonna. Right. Anyways, just gonna wrap up this video, and thanks for watching. And tomorrow, I'm kind of roughly planning on. It's gonna be probably gonna be a riding day. Either Spearfish Canyon, or I'm gonna ride all the way down and do Needles Highway, Wildlife Loop Road, and Iron Mountain Road. So I might be doing one or the other. I'll see. I'll decide that, finalize that tomorrow morning. So, okay. So that's kind of rough. So I got my generator going, and I'm charging up batteries now. So hopefully the batteries will be all set. The cameras will be already set to go for tomorrow. So, okay. Once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.